Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 6 of 10 days to 2021 series. In today's video I created this vibrant green makeup tutorial, which is a makeup recreation of Ankita's makeup look. Her YouTube ID is Corallista, and I've been following her for a very long time, and I got to interact with her on a workshop, and she's the same person that we see in her videos. Very calm, very friendly, very sweet. She answers all the questions without any hesitation. I have a very good time every time I attend her sessions. So first I thought there was no place for me to do a makeup recreation for December because my dates were slightly messed up. But since I started this 10 days back-to-back video idea, I thought I really have a day to do a makeup recreation tutorial. So I was thinking whose video to recreate, either Malvika Sitlani or Ankita. So I then finally thought I should do Ankita's makeup look, and I did have a lot of products that she used in the video that I saw for creating this makeup look, which will be linked in the description box below. So that was a long intro. So if you want to know how I recreated this look, then please continue watching. I anyway wanted to use a sheet mask today, and coincidentally she would have started with a sheet mask in that video. She had used the rice water sheet mask from the Face Shop. I'm going to use the Nykaa skin sheet mask in charcoal and bamboo for purified and nourished skin. So this is what I'm going to use today. I have been, because I'm uploading tutorials and videos every day for 10 days, I'm applying a lot of makeup these days, and I just didn't get a lot of time for skincare, which is a lazy excuse, I know that, but I just thought doing a quick sheet mask will just help my skin. This is a quick fix for instant hydration, so I'm just gonna try and open this. I took the sheet mask off and my skin feels really soft and instantly hydrated. Next, for moisturizer, she uses the Face Shop. She uses the Face Shop Evadam Brightening Moisturizer, and I'm going to use the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. For some reason I can't find the tub that I was using, so this is a fresh one. This is the backup that I was having. I'm going to use this. I haven't tried the Evadam range from the Face Shop, but I can say that this one is really very hydrating for all skin types. I'm going to take that much and use this for my moisturizer today. After the moisturizer, Ankita uses a Rainbow Glow Oil from Disguise Cosmetics. I'm now confused between the liquid glass or the 24K Rose Gold Elixir from Farsali. I think I'm going to use the liquid glass because it not only gives a glow but also gives a very nice base for my foundation. So I'm going to pick out the liquid glass from my makeup pouch over here and use that. So as usual, I finished the left eye off camera, and the palette that Ankita would have used for this video is Elegant Hot Heat palette. I have the exact same palette with me, so it makes the eye makeup even more easier. So let's start with the right eye. First, for base, she uses the Kiko Milano black eyeshadow crayon, but she said she was not very happy with the output. In the video, she said she could have preferred the Nykaa eyem bold. I have the Nykaa eyem black kajal, so I'm going to use this as the base today. So she would have used used a brush like this to smudge out the kajal, which is the same thing that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use my finger instead because that brush has a little bit of green glitter in it. So next, for the eyeshadow itself, first I'm gonna pick out a transition shade, and I'm gonna pick the shade that she used, which is the cream shade over here. It's a cool toned cream brown shade. This one shade came broken and I tried to fix it with rubbing alcohol, but this is how much I could do. So I'm going to pick out this shade and apply it as my transition shade for today. Next, I'm going to pick out the same brush that I used earlier. I'm going to apply some PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixing Spray into it, because Ankita insisted to wet the brush a little bit so that the color picks up even better. And next I'm going in with that vibrant green shade, this one. I'm going to pick out with this brush and start packing it on my eyelids. Next, with a clean blending brush, I'm just gonna blend out the green eyeshadow. It is so true, it looks more vibrant and more colorful in my mirror, and the camera is not picking up. She was absolutely right, the camera is not picking up how vibrant this color is, but it's okay, we'll just work with what we are getting. I'm just gonna, this brush has nothing on it, but I'm just gonna blend the green shade just like she did, to give a very soft effect. For the inner corner highlight, you would have used the PAC Baked Highlighter. I'm going to take the Sugar Face palette and use the highlighter that comes in this palette. I'm not a person who generally highlights the inner corner, but today we are doing it Ankita's way, so kajal, she would have used the Sugar Coal pencil, which is an emerald green color. I have the Colorbar green pencil, which is in the shade Jade. This is how it looks. So I'm going to apply this in my lower waterline, as in lower corner, right? In my lower waterline, and then she would have taken the same green shade that we applied on the lids and smudged it on the lower waterline, just like how I've done on this eye. I'm going to do the exact same thing on this eye. Mascara, she would have used the Colorbar Zoom and Rouge mascara. I'm going to use the Maybelline Hypercolor mascara. For her base makeup, she's going to mix the Maybelline Fit Me foundation along with the Loreal Lumi Touch. Yes, she uses the same combination. Her shade is 230, I guess, in Maybelline Fit Me. Mine is 235. And with this illuminator, I think she should have used a golden one. This is a rose gold. That is the issue with my undertone. I have a very cool undertone. I don't have yellow undertone at all. So finding a foundation or an illuminator matching my shade is very difficult. I was initially using 238 with Maybelline, but that was slightly, like ever so slightly darker to my skin tone, but this one matches me pretty perfectly. Next, she doesn't use any concealer or anything. Straight away she goes to a bronzer. She uses the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer. The shade that she uses is You're Dragging Me Down. I'm going to use the shade Sunset Striptease. I do have the Wet n Wild bronzer, but in a different shade. Next for highlight, I'm going to pick the same highlighter that we used on the inner corner, and I'm going to use a brush like this because she would have used a brush which is small and precise instead of a fan brush. I'm a little skeptical and a little scared of how this is going to deposit the product, but let's try it. I've never tried a small brush for face highlighter. For lipstick, she would have gone for a very brick tone neutral shade, but then she should have changed it to a pink demi matte lipstick. I'm going to use the Nykaa So Matte mini lipstick in the shade Bare Minimum, which is a pinky, very beautiful pink shade. So I'm going to use this, and the highlighter does look a lot more blinding than what I generally like, but don't worry, it will get better once I use a makeup setting spray. So I will quickly do my lipstick and apply the makeup setting spray and be right back. So this is the final look. I'm very happy with the way it has turned out. It looks very similar to Ankita's makeup look. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you tomorrow with another video. Take care. Bye bye.